How to fix Instagram login error problem. In order to solve the Instagram login error problem, first of all tap on Instagram for a while. After you tap on Instagram for a while, now go to the I option out there. After you go to the I option, you can see the interface of app information. Now you have to go to the option of storage. After you go to the option of storage, now you have to clear down the cache if there is any cache. You have to go to the option of clear cache. After that, go back and go to the option of app details in store. Now tap in the option of app details in store. After that, you can see an interface like this. You can go to the option of email out here. And after you go to the option of email, now your Gmail will be opened. And in this email, you have to write an email to the very Gmail that you found out there. You have to write the very problem that you are facing in regards to the very Instagram login user. And after you send your very problem, and when you send the request, your problem will be solved within 24 hours. Likewise, you should also check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be a Wi-Fi connection or it may be a data connection also. So this way your problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.